Hi, little adventurers. Ready to explore some yummy fruits? Today, we'll discover all kinds of colorful, tasty treats. Can you guess your new favorite fruit? Let's dive into our fruity adventure and have lots of fun learning.
Here's an apple, shiny and bright. Red, green, yellow, a juicy delight. Crunch it once, taste it twice. Apples are so sweet and nice. Here's a banana, yellow and sweet. Peel it back, it's a tasty treat. Soft and yummy, a snack for you. Have you ever peeled a banana too? Look at these grapes, round and small. You can eat them one by one or all. Purple, green, and even red. Grapes are fun and easy to spread. This is an orange, juicy and round. Peel it easy, bite by bite, no sound. Orange juice is fresh and sweet. Would you like some for a treat? Strawberries are tiny, red and sweet, with little seeds that can't be beat. Do you love them fresh and bright? What's your favorite berry bite? Watermelon's big green outside, but red and juicy, so much to bite. Perfect for summer, cool and sweet, a refreshing fruit you'll love to eat. Pineapple, spiky, but don't you fear. Inside it's juicy, bringing cheer. From warm places it does grow. Have you tasted pineapple? Let's go. Blueberries are tiny, round and blue. Pop them in, they're good for you. Sweet and yummy, they make a snack. What other blue things can you track? Mangoes are soft, sweet and bright. Orange inside, such a lovely sight. They grow in places warm and wide. Do you love mangoes? Let's take a bite. The kiwi's brown, but cut it through. Inside it's green, so bright for you. With tiny seeds, so fun to eat. Have you tried this juicy treat? A pear so sweet, so soft and green. Pick it fresh, a tasty seed. Yellow, red, or green it grows. Do you like pears? Everyone knows. Cherries red, so round and small. Pop one in, it's juicy for all. There's a pit, so take your care. Cherries, cherries everywhere. The coconut's brown, hard on the side. Crack it open, what's inside? Yummy white fruit, water too. Coconut's a treat for you. Lemon's yellow, sour and bright. Squeeze the juice, give it a bite. Lemonade on a sunny day. Have you tasted lemons today? Avocado, creamy and green. A big seed in the middle is seen. Guacamole's what we make. Avocado's a yummy take. The peach is fuzzy, sweet and soft. Bite it once, you'll love it lots. Juicy inside, tasty and fun. Do you like peaches, everyone? Raspberries red, so tiny and sweet. Pick them fresh, such a fun treat. Eat them one by one, you'll see how yummy raspberries can be. Papaya's bit with orange glow. Lots of seeds inside, you know. Sweet and fresh from warm plain places. Papayas put smiles on faces. A purple plum, so juicy and soft. Take a bite, you won't be lost. Red or yellow, they're yummy too. Plums are perfect just for you. Blackberries grow, purple and sweet. Pick them fresh, a tasty treat. Can you say blackberry too? They're fun to eat and good for you.
A grapefruit's juicy, big and bright. Cut it open, pink inside, so light. Can you say grapefruit out loud? Some like it sour, others are proud. Lychee's bumpy red outside, inside it's sweet. Take a bite with pride. Can you say lychee real quick? This tropical fruit's a fun pick. Dragon fruit's bright, a magical sight. Pink on the outside, inside it's white. Can you say dragon fruit with cheer? Its tiny seeds and sweet taste are here. Tangerine small, easy to peel. Juicy and sweet, that's the deal. Can you say tangerines today? They make a snack in every way. Pomegranates are full of seeds, so red, sweet and juicy like I said. Can you say pomegranate clear? This fruit is such a treat, my dear. Mulberries hang ready to pick, tiny and sweet, eat them quick. Can you say mulberry, my friend? Fresh from the branch, they never end. Jackfruit's huge, the biggest of all, yellow pods inside standing tall. Can you say jackfruit oh so loud? This giant fruit makes us all proud.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.